Daydreaming, I'm thinking of you. When they play this song, I'll be thinking of you. Like all night long, I'll be thinking of you. It's just a teenage love, but I can't get enough. I got a crush on you. 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 But my heart's one to break. I don't know what to do, girl. I know it's no mistake. You're just so beautiful. The sun don't need to shine, and my world is turning round for the chance to call you mine. What do I have to do to show that I can care? I will love you like no other, girl. No other can compare. It's rare like my breed. Only good is in the seed, and unlike these other guys, I really care about your needs. Your soft hair, smooth eyes, feeling indescribable. How can a girl like you ever think that I'm reliable? It's when you walk right by that I try for recognition, but I'm looking like a fool. You're making single my position. Daydreaming, I'm thinking of you. When they play this song, I'll be thinking of you. Like all night long, I'll be thinking of you. It's just a teenage love, but I can't get enough. I got a crush on you. I got a crush on you. I got a crush on you. Walking down the hall, just flashing my smile in your direction. I am heading, but my words never compile. All these late nights on the phone, girl, I'm wishing it was you. When I'm in homeroom, math class, algebra 2, yeah, I'm still staring at these walls. Staring, the walls never will listen. I've been daydreaming in class just to find your definition. You are hotter than Mojave, you're tight and never sloppy, and your presence overwhelming. People pouring water on me. I turn my swag on, girl, can you pay attention? I've gone over this moment so much, my head's feeling the tension, gut wrenching. Butterflies coursing through all my veins, and I'm trying to take you out to show all